Amazon is introducing Passkey support to simplify and enhance the security of logging into your account. With passkeys, you can use your face, fingerprint, or PIN to access your Amazon account, eliminating the need to remember complex passwords. This feature is accessible through web browsers on your computer and will soon be available on the iOS app for Amazon. Passkeys are a safer alternative to passwords because they can't be easily stolen in data breaches or phishing attacks. They rely on both a private and public key, with the private key stored on your device and the public key on Amazon servers. Setting up passkeys is straightforward. Go to your account in your browser or the Amazon app. Select Login and AMP Security. Choose Set Up next to Passkeys and follow the on-screen instructions. Once set up, you can sign in with a passkey on supported devices such as smartphones and computers, using your lock screen, PIN, or biometrics like your fingerprint. Passkeys not only simplify the login process, but also enhance security by reducing the risk of identity theft. Other companies like eBay, Best Buy, Microsoft, Nintendo, and PayPal also support passkeys, making it a convenient and secure option for various online services. As more businesses adopt passkey support, it's expected to become the future of online shopping, providing a seamless and secure way to access your accounts.